Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you don't know me, I'm your favorite mentor, Ipboyles, teaching you how you're going to trade profitably, how you're going to grow your small capital to a suitable balance. So if you don't know what we are going to do today is Friday, and I'm anticipating for a NFP news. So I'm going to show you guys how we are going to flip a small amount to a big capital. I don't know, I have $10 or $8, neither. Yes, that's $8. I have $8 on my trading account right now. So what are we going to do? We are going to wait for the time, because the news will be coming out by 1:30 p.m. here in Africa. So all we are going to do is to just wait for the right time for the news to be released, then we can go all along. So I'm going to show you guys everything, all the parts of the news, how my analysis will be going through, what I'm expecting for the news. So once the time hits, we are going to go all in and flip this small $8 to a suitable one. Maybe I can flip it to 50 or 100. Before you do this, must make sure that you can afford the money you are losing. Don't try this if you cannot afford that money. All you can do is to just start your small trade your account conservatively. So but if you can afford to lose that money and you are willing to flip the money to a suitable trading balance, all I want you to do is to just stick to this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you share this video to your loved ones. So these are these 3 tips which will help you grow your small account. Or let's say you are a beginner trader and you are still looking for a money to start up your trading. All I want you to do is that these 3 tips will help you. The number one which I'm going to share with you is that if you are starting up your trading, do account management. Understand? If you have learned and you know that you are technically proving to be a trader, that you can grow a small amount, or you can manage someone's fund, or you can go for an account management. Go online and try to look for someone which will invest on you, or someone who can bring money for you to trade. Then at the end of the trading and you make profit, you guys can split it 50-50, or sometimes you can split it 60-40, but make sure that your own profit is bigger than the person's profit, because you are the one doing the whole work by yourself. So this is the number one. Do account management for yourself and get money for you to fund and start up your trading career. If you are trading and you are starting up your trading business, partnership is very important. Look for someone more higher than you, partner with that person, make him your friend, and please share ideas. You understand? Share trading setup. When you have problem, ask him, and when someone also encounters some issue, you two also solve it out as 2 partners. So this is the number 2. Have a partnership, because every business has partnership. So you do partnership business both on trading, forex trading, on any business that you want to engage in. And I know you guys will be waiting for this number 3. All I want you to do is to just follow up this full step, which will really help you as a trader. So the number 3 is go for a pro firm. Since you have proven to be a qualified trader, you can grow a small amount. You have done it many times and it works for you. All you can do is just take advantage of yourself, because you know that you are not a good trader. You can do everything. You can flip accounts, you can grow accounts conservatively. All you can do is to just go for a pro firm, buy a 10,000 pro firm challenge. Then all you can do is to just don't go against their rules, obey their rules. They have phase 1 and phase 2. Understand? You have passed their phase 1 with 8% profit within 30 days or 60 days. Then phase 2, you pass it on 5% of their account within 60 days. All they need from you. So once you do that, all you can do is just, they will fund you. Once you do that, they will fund you a live trading account which qualifies you as a trader. So with that, you leverage that your $100 or $50 to a suitable amount. Now you are going from $50 or $100 to a $10,000 trading account, which means that in a month, if you can make 10% of that money, you know how much is 10% of $10,000, which is about 10% is about $1,000 in a month. So if you can get that, you see that you doubled your investment, your $100, you turn it within $1,000 in a month, which is only 10% of $10,000, which you can still do more. Once you make that, your account is still going. In the next month coming, you can still make the same 10% and it will still go, unit you violate their rules. So let's get to the video. Let me show you guys how I flipped the small amount. I don't know if it's going to go to my favor or it's not going to go to my favor. All I want you to guys is to keep you updated in this video, and see you guys. So this is my analysis on my trading view. As you can see that we having this setup on this supply zone, although price have already broken structure, which left off to price to retrace back to this demand zone, neither the first demand zone or the origin demand zone, before price can start going up, and which we know that we are now in uptrend. What confirmed this uptrend is that our 4 hours trend line has been broken, and also we have break structure. The euro USD dollar has already broken structure, so we are waiting for price to retrace back before we can start going for a swing trading move. So this is my supply zone, and this is a setup which I'm looking for price to do. So this is a 3D drive pattern, which you can see the first touch, second touch. So we are waiting for a third touch. I don't know if price can reach here for a third touch, but we are still hoping for price to reach here. And here is the liquidity side of the market. So what is my indicator showing me? This is my indicator. So if you want to have this indicator, all you can do is just subscribe to this channel, and I will show you guys on this video how to set up this indicator. All you need to do is to just go to your option, then you search for RSI. RSI. So once you search for RSI, you just click it on you just click your favorite, then you click it and upload it. So once you click it, it will comes out to be like this. So what RSI do is that it shows you when price has overbought and when price have oversold. So when prices have overbought, it will give you this green signal to start buying from the market, which we also know that RSI works with diverging. So this is like a strategy on its own. I don't know, it's very difficult to explain to you guys if you don't know about diverging. So in my next course, I'll also teach you guys about diverging, how diverging works, and how you can use RSI indicator for it. So this is where we are supposed to enter this market, but I didn't enter it because I saw this first touch, second touch, so we're waiting for the third touch. The only way which I'm going to execute this market, if only the market didn't give me this third touch and break this structure, then we know that I'll know what next to do. But right now I'm anticipating for the market to drop, understand? So drop, if it can drop about 50 pip, then we close up the profit. So let's stay tuned. This is the amount on my MT5. So you can see this is the balance that I have here, and I'm waiting to flip this amount to any amount. I'm just leaving it open. Any amount I can flip it to, maybe 20, 30 or 50. So let's wait on to the news time. You can see this is around 10:42 a.m. in the morning. So waiting for one to click. The news is coming out around 1:30 today, so we are still keeping it positive, and let's go and see what price can really give us today, if price will flip or it blew. but after I saw every profit, I couldn't even take some partial profit, and right now you see it just came back, take me out, drop again. Right now it's coming back. So if you are on this type of trade, all you should have done is to just take some partial profit. This news, I don't know, this news is just doing his thing. Let me just show you my account. I told you guys that I'll be showing you guys everything, how everything goes, whether loss or profit. So you can see this account right now, you can see all the loss. Finally, this account that I took from $2 to almost $50 right now, made some small withdrawal. Then after that, I left $8 for this news, and you can see right now the account is now zero, everything zero. Sapa is now available on my side. So guys, we'll see you guys on the next one. On the next news, I'll also be making this type of video to show you guys, but I must assure you guys that this indicator is really working. You can see that it gave us this signal to sell. So finally the market sell. Had it been that I entered this market in news, I would have made some good profit, but the problem was that the broker which I was using spread was very fucking high, so I couldn't do anything. The spread was about let's just calculate. The spread was about almost 30 pips. So I want to flip this account, so there's no need of using big loss when the spread is high. So what I have to do is to just look for a pay which the spread is a little bit more comfortable for me to trade. So if you don't mind, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of these.